Hello, so continuing from our last tutorial, I would like to show you how importing a library works in Odin. Again, I'm going to create an example with a package main, and I'm going to have a main function, and then I want to include something. Import something. Last time we imported core font, and I want to talk about this core here. And basically what this core is it's the basic libraries that Odin come with. Um, there are also some other stuff, so you can also do import vendor, which is also something that the Odin compiler ships, but it's not something that is written in Odin. It's primarily other libraries that has been ported to Odin. So like you can do raylib, which is commonly used, or you can do some Vulkan stuff or OpenGL. Um, yeah, um, I just want to show you where um, these libraries exist. So if you find your Odin installation, you will see a few things here. You'll see the binaries, which we don't care about, and then you see this core. And this is all the core libraries. And so if you need anything, you can go in here and search for if Odin has that for you already. And then you have vendor libraries. And this is all the vendor libraries. So you have glfw, fontsdash, DirectX, a bunch of stuff. Vulkan here. And then you have something called shared. Now, shared is something that is meant for you to put in your libraries that you want to use shared across many of your projects. I personally don't like to use this folder, but if you feel like you want to do that, that's an option. So yeah, that's the places where you can get libraries from. There are also other ways to get libraries. And if you don't do any of this, right, you can also add a new folder in your project, and let's call this mylib. And in mylib, we'll add a new file, and we'll call this mylib file. All right. And what I want to show you here is basically that I can import this mylib here, and I will be able to use any function that I write in there. So mylib dot myfunc, like that. And let's go into the library here and create myfunc. So myfunc is a proc, and it will just let us make it print hello world. Like that. And so, yeah, because this mylib lies as a subfolder to my tutorial thing, I can just specify the relative path to that library and it will all work nicely. So if I do that, whoops, let's go to tutorial 2, whoops, and let's try and run this again. You can see hello world from mylib, right? This is a function that we call inside mylib, and yeah, it just works. It's super easy to import libraries this way. Notice in Odin. If you wanted it to have this inside here, the only thing you would have to do, let me just, whoops, just reveal an explorer, is to put the library in shared here, and delete it from here, and now we would be able to access it from the shared one. Let's delete this and run it again, and you can see now we have linked library here to here. And if you come from C and C++, this is a super easy way to handle libraries, right? You don't need any build files. You just run it, which is amazing. Um, yeah, I think that's all I wanted to show for this tutorial. So yeah, good luck.